Hello everyone, how's it going? Are you guys keeping warm? I certainly am. I have my big oversized sweater and I'm feeling really lazy today. I did want to show you this video because in the winter season, my lips are dry, cracked, and they bleed and I pick them, which is so bad. You guys would have known this if you've watched me or you've been with me for a really long time. I have this thing about picking my lips until they bleed. It's a disgusting habit. I think it has something to do with anxiety. I don't know what it is, but my mom always tells me not to pick my lips, but I just can't do it. It's like an automatic response. However, I do have tips and tricks on how to instantly make them look better under this lip, even though it looks very normal, natural, and just fine. Underneath is a dry, cracked, and bleeding lip. So if you want to see my tips and tricks on how to instantly fix it, keep watching. Chiutips. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jen and I'd love for you guys to join the family. I post videos on beauty, health, skincare, lifestyle, so if you love those sorts of topics and you love tips, tricks, and hacks, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more. I'd love to see you guys here. Alright, let's get started and show you guys how I fix dry, cracked, bleeding, picked lips instantly.
Alright, so here we are. These lips are looking pretty gross. First thing I'm going to do is take a hot towel and just go back and forth and exfoliate the skin so that it's nice and smooth. Then taking Thayer's Natural Remedies Witch Hazel Aloe Vera formula, I'm going to put a bit of this on a cotton pad and then apply it right over the lips. This is going to help with any inflammation, any redness, and just really calm down the lips. I like to keep it on here for about 30 seconds just to let it soak in a little bit and then remove and pat dry. Then I'll be applying the Jason Soothing 98% Aloe Vera Moisturizing Gel all over the lips. Just using about a pea-sized amount, I'm going to slather this all over the lips. This is going to really help calm the area, any redness, it's going to soothe it, and it's going to be a really nice feeling to have before the next step, which is going to be applying some oil. Now when you have super dry lips, I love using the Youth Watery oil by Guerlain to help moisturize it, and it's gentle enough to put on the lips. Applying a little oil makes for a great base and helps heal the lips, especially if they're dry, cracked, and bleeding, which mine are. Now for makeup, I'll be using the Milk Makeup Tiny Highlighter to just highlight the cupid's bow and a little bit on the bottom lip. This is just going to give my lips that little bit of oomph and plumpness. Then I'll be taking the Milk Makeup Foundation Stick, which I've been loving to use for cover-up and concealer and for pimples and dark spots. I'll be applying this as a color corrector over the lips to minimize any redness and any dark spots on the lips. This is going to be very simple, super easy. I'm also going to go a little bit further just so we have like a full look. I'm going to apply this on the cheek area and a little bit outside the lip so we have a full covered lip look after. And then I'll be taking a few drops of foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, and I'm just going to go over it just to make sure I kept covered everything. Because my lips have been dry and cracked, it's nice to have something to cover up any redness so that now we're working with just a base color, which we can now put on lipstick. So here I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Patent Paint Lip Lacquer. This is such a beautiful color and it stays on all day long. This is really just a color that I feel complements my skin tone and it's really nice on the lips as well. And here I'm just going to use the brush and apply it evenly. The finished look of the lip is going to be so much different than when I started out in this video. You can scroll back and look at the before and after and it is a huge difference. So if you're someone like me who obsessively picks at their lips and they're dry and cracked and bleeding, this is my go-to way of going from a 0 to 100 when it comes to making my lips look a lot better than when they were dry and cracked. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and I will see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.